My name is Iqmal bin NORZAIMI, matric number 1911397. Now I will explain about the definition statement in CNC code. As we can see in the program format here, the first here is what we call definition statement. Okay, so now we will go through one by one in the definition statement. The first line here, or we call the first block, is the program name. We can enter what name, what we want, 3000 or anything. But here I put it as O3000. The second block is the default condition of our machine before we start the program. For the third block is the tool change of or the selection tool of the machine. Okay, for the fourth block here, S19.1, given here is the spindle speed is 2000 meter per minute. Then we change to RPM, then we get 19.1 spindle rate RPM. The feed rate here is 500 mm per minute. Then we change to RPM, we got F2000 RPM. The MO3 and MO8 here, the MO3 is meant by the spindle is on, and MO8 is the coolant is on. Okay, for the next block is the coordinate format. So here ask we to use the absolute coordinate. So the code for absolute coordinate is G90. If they ask to use the incremental of coordinate, then we use G91. So for the last block here is for the cutting depth. Given here is 3 mm. So we enter the code as Z-3.0.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AFIQ bin Muara, matric number 1910829, and I will explain about the machining operation. So, as you can see, this one right here is what we call the machining operation. The machining operation is actually the movement of the point from point 0 to point 1 to point 2 to point 3, and then the point will then return again to point 0. So the first point is at as what we call it, the initial point is point x0 y equal to 0. The movement is g01, simple movement. Then the point will then move to point 2, which is x equal to 85 and y equal to 0. This is a movement exactly like this, because the y is the same and the x is different. Then the point will then make a turn G03, counterclockwise turn, to point x equal to 95 and y equal to 10, and the radius is 10. Then the point will move to x equal to 25 and y equal to 25. The movement is like this because x doesn't change. Then the point will then move to x75, y equal to 25. Movement is like this because x decrease and y remain the same. Then the point will once again make a turn G02, which is a clockwise turn, to point x equal to 25 and y equal to 55, and the radius for the turn is 10. Then the point will move to f65 and y40. Then the point will make a turn one again. This time it is a clockwise turn to point x equal to 65 and y50 with the 10 radius. And then the point will move to x95, y equal to 50. Then the point will once again make a turn, and it is a clockwise turn for a 10 radius, and the point is 95, y 60. Then the point will move to x55 and y60. Then the point will make a turn once again, a clockwise turn, and the movement is to x35 y 60 and the radius is 10. Then the point will move to x equal to 20 and y equal to 60. The movement is exactly like this because y remains the same and x is different. Then the point will move to point x equal to 0 and y equal to 35. This movement will look exactly like this because x decrease and y also decrease. Then the point will the point will return to the initial point, which is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. This is the initial point. If you look at the picture, this is point 1, this is point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7, and etc. This is the movement of the point, which will make this figure. So, thank you.
The last part of the CNC code is what we call closing statement. The first line is in closing statement is what we want to set the cutting coordinate after have finished the cutting process. So here we set as at z equal to 150. Okay, for the second line is MO5. MO5 is to stop the spindle. At definition statement, we already on the spindle by using code MO3, and at closing statement, we off the spindle by using code MO5. And next one is MO9, is to off the coolant. In definition statement, we on the coolant by using code MO8. And lastly, in the closing statement is MTT. MTT is to end the program. So that's all from us. Thank you.